do is get out your homework from last night that I gave to you. While you guys are doing that, I have a couple of things to pass back just because I need to get this back to you. So, Mike, wrap. You better go. Did you get the homework from the email? Okay, that's fine.
Oh, thanks for the power.
You're welcome. All right, I've got, oh no. Haley, I have your quiz. Back. I didn't get a chance to get to your Friday section labs yet. As soon as I get them done, hopefully I'll grade them tonight, and I'll get them back to you not tomorrow, but Monday. So, game plan for today is we are going to be using the specimens in the back of the room. Very cool. Okay. The goal for today is you guys are going to be able to identify the 8 major invertebrate phyla. And as we went through animal characteristics yesterday, I started to mention the 8 different vertebrate phyla. Peripera, Nidaria, Platyhelminthes. So the purpose of today is for you guys to be able to identify the 8 major invertebrate phyla, and you guys are going to work together and help each other out in order to identify the invertebrate phyla. And then you guys are going to organize the 8 different invertebrate phyla into a cladogram. Which ones are the most primitive, which ones are more advanced, and you guys are going to line them up. And you're going to work in teams, so I'm going to split you up into 2 groups. You're going to work in teams in order to line them up evolutionarily into a cladogram. And then you guys are going to have to defend why you guys ordered them the way that you did. All right? Pretty cool? Sound good? So, what I'm passing out now, look at this side for right now. We will eventually get to this side, but this is the side that you guys are going to be working with. So, take a look at that. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I'm missing Mike, Mia, and Tommy. All right, so I'll put stuff aside for that. So so raise your hand if you did Peripera. Group 1, Group 2. Nidaria. I said,
Yeah.
no, I said who did Peripera? Work with me here.
Okay.
All right, I'm going through a list. So Peripera was, so Megan, you're 2, Alec, you're 1. Nidaria. You should have been Nidaria.
Oh, that was Nidaria.
What?
Yeah.
No, it's Nidaria. The C is silent. It's Nidaria. Okay? We could go with the C, Nidaria, but just it doesn't sound as nice. So Sophia, Group 1, and then Mike, you'll be Group 2. Platyhelminthes. Monica, Group 1. Andrea, Group 2, all the way back. Nematodes. Grant, Group 1, and Patty, Group 2. Annelids. Aaron, Group 1, and Jared, you'll be Group 2. Justin, Arthropods, Group 1, and Mia will be Group 2. Mollusca, Matt, you'll be Group 1. Valerie, you'll be Group 2. And then echinoderms, Kaylee, Group 1, Zoe, Group 1, and Carrie will be Group 2. All right, so what I need you guys to do now, Justin? What?
Yes.
Yeah, I understand she's not there.
I'll pretend to be
Okay. All right, so what I need you guys to do now, Group 1 over here, Group 2 over here, and you guys are going to teach each other about the invertebrate phyla that you researched for homework last night. It's 11:05. I want this to take about 10 minutes for you to do. So at 11:15, we're going to stop and see how far you've gotten.
Why are you saying second one?
1 over here, 2 over here. You guys can move the desk. It's fine.
Ow, my head.
Yes, you did.
Hey, that's what I got. Oh,
Let's shoot for like a play.
Anyone? On vertebrate evolution, night area. Okay. Night area. Great. So you're gonna go through. I just kind of like a roundtable discussion and maybe talk about the different characteristics or talk a little bit about your invertebrate unique characteristic that might help you identify which type of organism is, a porifera, a cnidarian, a platyhelminthes, and then help your group to fill out the chart. Sound good? All right. Who has porifera? All right. When an animal has like bilateral dentistry, they have like sense like split.
Germ layers, one germ layer.
They do not have. Two germ layers. They have four.
Then they have like a
So mine is bilateral.
That means it has Wait, what? Can you say that again?
That actually sounds pretty
Yeah.
The second one is CHA.
Cyanocytes? Cyanocytes?
What?
Cyanocytes?
And used for food.
Segmentation, yes or no?
OC.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, we got our name.
Chalk.
Chakra. It's like we had chakra.
YTES.
Okay.
This guy, but I
I'm not
Wait,
even
what's
sure.
that second
Which word? Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. It's just fun to say. Platyhelminthes. They only get to say it once. Platyhelminthes.
So it's bilateral. Yeah, we got it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Bilateral? They're good.
Just wait. Hold on.
Segmentation. And that means they are
The juice will.
They don't have.
So there's
they don't
germ
have
layers that have stabilization.
No.
Stabilization, no.
Yeah.
Germ layers, they have two germ layers.
What is taken? Blah, blah, blah. We're like a really, only, so it kind of goes from one hole and when we finally,
They
the
have
thing,
five
it's like
layers.
goes back.
So like
Oh,
every
Oh,
one.
they don't have a butt.
So they only have a nap.
Yeah.
So wait, they-
Oh, we have mouths?
Yeah.
Okay,
Are we ready?
so.
Do you need any
what-
extra?
what type of-
It'll be like only have one.
I'm writing down.
So I
Write it down.
So what's ectoderm?
So keep it the outside.
Outside,
So
outside.
Great.
What's mesoderm?
One.
Alright, and what's endoderm? Alright, so ectoderm makes up what? Skin and,
Is that, you have like leg skeleton?
well, it is a tissue, yeah, very good. What else?
Like hair.
Your like your skin and your senses, right? Your senses and your eyes.
Is the
Great.
girl
How about mesoderm? What does it make up? Okay, I thought through it all. I like to think of it as muscles. Things are happening with muscles. And all the organ systems in between, so like the reproductive system, the excretion Expiratory system, I can say that. Yeah, expiratory system, so all those in between organ systems. And then the endoderm makes up what?
The invertebrate germline. Like, well,
Not the bones,
Wait, so you said
like a blood vessel?
the endoderm. No, that's mesoderm. The tube, the digestive tract, your tube, but and your respiratory tract. So, yeah. What?
The bone, yeah, it's same thing.
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's not necessarily a tissue, or one, I wouldn't group it.
It's not like alright, it's just like a space in the body that holds like
Flatworms. One's like this.
there's
One
no-
is kind of
Right here, guys.
like comes in four classes.
There's two kinds of digestive
So it's like,
systems.
yeah, so I just made it really simple. So they have, most of them have bilateral.
No, they're cavities, they have two like digestive systems, but
That's different than the body cavity.
one's cavity and it's like for storage.
For which one? Yeah, nematodes have a
They have all
pseudo-ciliary, we'll talk about that.
Yeah, I got that, but.
So.
It's
They
a
have
false,
all-
pseudo means false, so it's a false body cavity, we'll talk more about what that is.
So
I thought
segmentation.
it was like a fluid space.
It is, you're right.
I did analytia. It has bilateral symmetry. Gut cephalization.
They have gastrovascular body cavity.
Has 3. Cat said that's the only.
Ask your, so.
Gastrovascular.
Hashtag.
So that goes on. They said it was like at the end. It was like.
It has 2.
They said,
Two
they were
body
talking about like
cavities.
parasite
Yeah, it has
stuff,
like-
so they
yeah,
said it was like
are
at the end.
you common? I don't know what that means.
That's like
Oh,
Yes, it is, yeah. Oh, for real?
Arthropods.
Segmentation.
Segmentation, yes, no, maybe so. Yes. Yes. True.
Oh, is that Mia? We don't have an arthropod. We don't have like a
If you could not find segmentation, then there was no segmentation. That worked out, that was easy. Harder question next time.
They have bilateral symmetry
For
in their cephalization.
which one are you?
Which one?
Arthropods?
Arthropods.
Because we have, what did you say, bilateral?
No.
They have bilateral symmetry.
Germinators?
It had like a little,
Yeah.
if it has bilateral.
Germlayers, 1 second.
There you go, yeah.
Find it. Okay.
Four.
Which one is it? Nematode. It's like a needle. Oh wait, no, but like which one? Like which color?
Last letter equal.
It's the sixth bullet.
3.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you another 6 minutes to finish up this table.
Okay, we try segmented words. Yes. It has like a space between the like it has like it's kind of just like a space it's body covering. It's between the mantle and the little mass. And it protects it's like and then no, yeah, it has 1. And then and it protects the gills.
Perfect.
Sorry, we don't have it in our pot.
You don't have an arthropod person?
This Oh.
And then it has no segmentation.
Ooh.
CLELU. Segmentation.
Who's,
None.
Okay.
chin and
Yes.
None.
Kind of
No segmentation.
No.
You were the
It's section.
No, I
said
Those are the
serious right now?
Okay. They have,
No,
It's
sorry, bilateral.
Yeah.
They have cephalization.
Cephalization.
Got my race.
Are you noticing a trend?
Yeah.
between bilateral symmetry and, germ layers and cephalization. That class is great, but they do have three for one layers. It's an odd group. Because you're lumping in with mollusca and clams at the same time. You've got squids, so you're all part of that same phylum. And then it gets broken out, so phylum, class, and then the class gets broken out further, but they're under the same phylum.
They have a body cavity.
Do you guys know the body cavity that already has that? So what do you guys noticing? So something that has bilateral symmetry that has cephalization. Do you think they might have a body cavity?
I was just confirming.
Probably. I'd say that's a pretty good guess. I get it. They do.
Radial, nope.
No, a sealant. Having a sealant is having a body cavity. The same thing as having a
Wait,
The other
they
two
have
are
brains?
aciliate.
No, they don't.
They don't?
They don't.
And
Oh,
they're
yeah.
not.
They don't, they have a nervous system.
You guys know.
No,
Do they
sir.
have a muscle like an
Did you know that?
An anaerobe.
No, well, they have three.
Sandal
And
is
we know the sandal. I have to tell you for the general.
okay.
3 more minutes, guys. What are we doing here? You don't have those Alright, so for Nigeria, this is what I can tell you about Nigeria. Can you guys take a guess as to what type of symmetry in Nigeria?
Oh, no, it's radial. Because we like jellyfish.
I had a 1 in 3 chance there. Yeah.
You did have like 1 in 3 chance, and you know what? That's okay. We're learning today.
I like my option.
Radial is the circle, so it's like radial. Very good.
No.
So, do you think it will have cephalization? No, because cephalization is part of what type of symmetry? Bilateral So, germ layers for Nigeria. It is 2. So they have an ectoderm and then they have an endoderm. Ectoderm and endoderm. Okay? Nigeria, the germ layers. Ectoderm and endoderm. So 2. Okay? Ectoderm is what?
Is the outside of the
Outside, so it makes up the nervous tissue. Epidermis. The endoderm is the digestive tract. So Nigerians, jellyfish, they have an ectoderm, so they have this gastrovascular cavity. So they have a stomach.
they have
So that makes sense. They have ectoderm and endoderm.
So it's radial.
They don't have a body cavity.
I
It's
think they
called
have
a
one germ.
gastrovascular cavity. It doesn't meet the requirements of a body cavity, and I'll talk about why that is.
What's the layer?
And then do they have segmentation? No. Very good.
Well, that's a skeleton.
Take a guess for what I'd like you guys to do. Look at the trend on your table. Look at the trend on your table and see if you can't fill in arthropod on your.
Wow.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah.
Aren't starfish
Starfish segmented. I believe so. Yeah.
Cephalization, yes.
Oh, they're segmented, sorry.
Copper. I think it's don't check.
And
I think. Look at her, but she's right.
she's like
Mad and sad.
No, you're right. It's not. You're right. No. Yes, yes. You're right. Here you go.
Wait, so no. Alright.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, I thought that they
Now
have
we
to
have
skeleton, but
to-
they're not a
I'm guessing it's bilateral.
Cool. It's separated.
For, see which one, you don't have
Time
to
up.
right? Make a prediction.
Okay, wait a minute.
Work together and predict what
You guys are very good at
what types of germ layers, or how many germ layers they might have. We're
pod.
gonna make that prediction. That's a good guess.
Cephalization. Bilateral.
I don't know what I can cavity.
Body cavity.
But they're not second layers. Well, they might.
I think
No.
Cephalization,
yes.
Yes.
That's what it says.
Of course.
Yeah, but.
I don't know. Do you have bilateral? That means has bilateral. Bilateral.
Guys, you check and see. Awesome, so you guys should pretty much be done with the chart by now, yes?
Yeah.
Alright, what I need you to do, what? Do arthropods have a body cavity, group 2?
Yes.
Very good. Group 1, group 2, tomato, tomato.
They have one.
Tomato.
Well, they have a body.
They have a body cavity. You can't have more than one body cavity.
Well,
apparently,
Harry said you come too.
I said.
No, I didn't. Yeah.
Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, let you. You're going to be a sec? Can I grab your attention really quick? So, what I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you guys, as a group, you guys are going to work together to pick out specimens that fall into each of the phyla. Alright? And then what I'd like you to do is I'm going to give you a giant Post-it and a marker, and I want you to draw a cladogram based on that table. And I'm gonna have you guys defend to me why you think, defend your cladogram. Why did you put this organism or this phylum at the bottom of the cladogram? Why did you put this phylum at the top of the cladogram? Does that make sense? Yeah. Any questions about that? Right. So I'm gonna give you guys about 15 minutes to do this. I need one person. Don't go anywhere yet. I need one person from each group to come up and grab a Post-it and grab a marker. They'll be my designated scribes. Matt, you can be a scribe.
Sorry, Justin.
Sorry. And then, Jared, since you're up, you can be a designated scribe.
I'll try my best.
Or you can, you'll try your best. All right, go. Go identify.
I want the turtle.
Are there any started?
We have to use that.
Oh, is that
What the heck?
Oh, sweet.
Oh my god,
That
it's
is
me.
squid.
I found me.
I do not know what that thing is.
Oh, I know what it is. It's a grasshopper. It has a name on it.
Oh, it looks like a rock.
They're all squid animals.
We are totalizing invertebrates, guys. So if they have a backbone, we don't get a chance to look at them yet.
You killed the turtle?
No, it's nice.
Is it real?
I have, yeah.
We are working with invertebrates. Invertebrates.
Someone grab it.
But we have
Nothing's
I got
It's a baby.
Wait,
No, it's a baby.
Let me see. That is.
is this
No, why we're
They're all real. Get your head in the game, dude. They're just clay, don't worry.
Very good.
It's okay.
It's so sad.
Wait, it's just like I have a what's the
What you guys have divided?
It's a squid.
Oh, that makes sense too.
I'm so tense.
This is the same.
Okay. Oh,
Why don't you move this?
thinking about it, just looking at that.
Yeah.
Give it a shake. Yeah.
Have like a wall.
Ground one.
Wait, flat one. Oh my God!
Alright. It moved.
I brought the squid over there.
It might be.
They find it's dead first, they just kill it and then they're like, ooh, let's
Dude,
remove it.
Matt, can you imagine this crawling through?
No,
Oh,
you know what that's
Once we get over the fact that our animals and stuff do it.
Yeah, bring them over and discuss. Alright, let me draw your attention really quick. Alright? Once you get over the fact that there are critters in jars, okay, you need to pick out representatives of the 8 invertebrate phyla. Remember, if they have a backbone, you should be looking at them, right? Once you've picked out your 8 groups, bring them over to a lab table, and you need to construct your cladogram.
How is this? This is a back.
You guys have, another 10 minutes. Go for it.
It has a back.
Like this one.
Alright, what do we have? What do we not have?
That's a sandworm, Mike.
Those are mouses.
There's like, you know,
It's the one.
it's not a round one.
Wait, what is the sandworm?
Like, that might as well be like,
No, it doesn't. Hey, Jerry, I do like one of these
We're missing a sponge.
what is it? Oh, it's oyster.
We're missing a sponge.
Got
Do we have something close to an oyster yet?
What is the
Just have these on tap.
Sponge. I got guys, we got a sponge.
We have jellyfish.
Okay.
Has to be jellyfish.
Okay.
I think this is the order.
Guys, I think that
Sponge would be first. Then I think that is Nigeria.
Yeah. Dude, that tapeworm is.
That we have to do?
That's what I did. Let's give it a
I mean, don't.
And then
No, I think she's right.
we do start with specialization.
So mine, yeah, we should eat the big fish. I'm Jeff. I eat the big fish.
segmented worm.
Fried. Deep fried baby.
But I think the sponges are first.
Like, whoa, you have to go this way.
Guys, sponges
Let's
and
go.
jelly.
For the
Don't
category,
stir
don't
up
they
like
do
Sharpie.
the first thing, they all have
You?
and then,
Something that they all have in common.
okay. So this is a weird question, but would the start be above a lot of things? Because it doesn't have cephalization.
Wait, so if we have
It does? Oh, I think it does. Guys, it has cephalization. Yeah, that's why, yeah, because it can touch things, it can feel, and it has
We're
like
gonna
wires.
say that. Okay, we should say
The
first one.
book is giving me
There's another reason why it's going to
start with saying, start with putting the sponge and then write, germline.
How are we doing over here?
With the cladogram, we need they're not adaptations, but the new things that they have that all the other ones don't have.
There you go.
Like the
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
And then you have to write it in the middle.
Then I think it's the echinoderm.
Which one was the animals?
Because they have the cephalization.
Is that like
Echinoderm
a,
do have
No,
cephalization.
first thing is
To a certain
invertebrate.
degree, yeah.
all these cladogram?
I put cephalization, but in parentheses, there's another reason. Echinoderms are unique, they're gonna feed the bottom part of the bottom.
Are we supposed to do these cladograms?
We should do journal.
By using the characteristics.
Because only one, everything else is.
But how do you feel?
All animals are multicellular, so you could say the first one is multicellular, and human or So,
Or
or
they all have
multicellular and
every
asymmetry
single one of
is
them has
peripheral,
germ
right? Then you move
And then
on,
the
and
sponge
then you say that it has radial symmetry. And then you move on and so on and so forth. You symmetry. So insert as many characteristics as possible in the pattern to make the
Right.
pattern
Do you want to give it up?
Under the sponge, I think right
These two worms basically the same
Come
thing.
down here.
So
Yeah, I think
like
the platyhelminth.
branches.
I will tell you right now, mollusks are not mollusks. Echinoderms are a weird group, and they're going to be found towards the top,
Wait, these are
not
all
the
the
bottom.
same thing though.
Alright?
Yep.
I know, but
Have it from here to here.
the nematoda is closer.
I don't think they're the top.
Why is
top.
this here?
Oh, they are, save them.
Because it's beautiful.
And then
Kind
after,
of the first one.
Like me.
after this, we would do
So
the, I think the jellyfish, the
I hate this stuff.
Nidaria.
What's that?
Not the squid, Nigeria, sorry. Because,
inside the jar.
No, it's already dead.
after this, you would do
Oh.
poetry, right?
I think it would be,
That's-
no,
I think it would be the mollusks next because they
No, you
are,
put the.
they don't have
symmetry.
So,
No.
True.
yeah, we do
True. Mollusca.
the Nidaria, whatever.
I hear someone that opens. Wait, but she said, but then she said the starfish, they don't have segmentation, it's a bit towards the top.
500
And it might not matter. You die.
No,
I'm
Under
letting you know, you're going to end with echinoderms. So figure it out. You're going to end with echinoderms, but everybody
Have
else
we done
segmented.
analytical
You're
yet?
going to end with echinoderms.
Probably.
Echinoderms aren't segmented.
M-O-L-L.
No, because
Mollusca.
Keep going.
No, oh, I thought
the sponge doesn't
And
have.
platyhelminth.
starfish.
So wait, Annelida next,
Now
right?
it's cephalization.
How are we doing over
You
here?
wrote way too. Wait,
Because-
where's
Well,
wait, why
the
is
sponge is the only one that doesn't have symmetry.
So cephalization and then put the next one.
Okay, yeah.
Do we have to identify what types of symmetry though, because the starfish, species that has radial?
And well, it also bilateral. So you
Can
can
we lump it all together?
bilateral. Yep.
Well, no, because some of them have
I
radial.
doubt you.
Oh, okay, yeah, so you just do that.
I doubt that ever.
Cephalization.
So you guys are trying to figure out the groups first and then move on to the characteristics?
Wait, why are we bringing up this? Nidaria don't have bilateral sushi.
Yeah, but bilateral and radial, they're like similar. So we just put them all together. Piece them all together.
We transitioned, right?
Okay, after this, we would
Nominate you as scribe.
Why is it going down?
What about me?
It's okay. Then it's
after this, we would put the,
I'm the understanding.
I vote we want to change words.
Yeah, why not?
it could be cephalization or body.
What
animal are you?
No, I think you would.
Segmented.
I'm doing kind
But it could be
I don't know what I'm
cephalization
doing here.
The
or
body cavity is different though, between the flatworms.
yeah, but it's still a body cavity.
Wait, why do we have
Okay, so
germ layers?
Because they all have germ layers.
I want.
now let's see what.
Oh, that's four.
Sandworm Annelida?
Why did you write it like that?
Wait, it makes sense.
It makes sense.
He is a scribe.
It's okay.
That's father magic, that
You know what? Things happen, doesn't work out.
Matt is stepping on Adam.
Hey, what
So between.
Do all
Yeah.
You want to be on top?
How you doing that? Good? Yeah, okay.
After this, we would do flatworms.
Guys, what's this?
The annelid?
This is not a platy.
No, that's not a flower. That's a crustacean.
Yeah, put that there.
This is neither flat nor
Very
like
close.
at any. What is it? Yeah.
Close only counts in horseshoes and cladograms.
Should I put this back?
Wait, where would that go? That's.
What do we have there? That's an insect. It's a cicada.
Oh, I haven't seen cicadas in forever. I used to live with cicadas. When I was in Cincinnati, they came out like.
So, should I just say one?
Alright guys, I'd like to get you back as a group in about 2 minutes, so finish up your planograms please. 2 minutes to finish up. 2 minutes to finish
Wait, are
up.
they coming this year?
It's just a draft. Just a draft.
They make it
Eventually, yes, you'll make a final one.
Have you ever heard them before?
Just
They
a
should.
draft.
Yeah, you can.
With my right ear.
Oh yeah. Two germ layers and radio.
Yeah, this, in between here, if I talk there, you can't hear me.
Yeah, no,
That does flapper has flapper.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, yeah, the same thing.
Literally, if that was a wasp, I would not.
That means that's
I would not
my
be
dates.
outside ever.
Yeah, but they have to be two germ layers.
If that was a wasp,
That tapeworm is so
Zoe,
I'm going to hunt it.
Good?
Oh, no, it's like
And then they want another
What about this one though? This says radio.
That's just an exception.
It's just
Alright guys, let me grab your attention really quick. I know you guys are probably still working on your cladograms, which is okay. But what I need you guys to do for me is to put the specimens back on the table so that I can put them away. Alright? And then I would like you guys to rearrange your decks. I want to bring you guys back together and discuss.
I dare you to drink.
No, I don't like to hear that.
That'd be so
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm.
Come on, guys. Let's go, back in our seats. I'll take the cladograms up here.
Oh, thanks.
Good work, bro.
Alright, group 2 on it.
Andre, can I get it?
Yeah.
Let's shift the seats for me back, please.
If I got my like whole face.
That's my backpack.
Alright. So, these are our 2 cladograms so far. Right? They're works in progress, which is okay. I'll give you time tomorrow to progress further onto this. Alright? But we're noticing a trend with our table, aren't we? So, if an organism has bilateral symmetry, what else does it also have? Cephalization. If something has cephalization, it also has germ layers, 3 germ layers usually. So if you actually take a look at your table, you can see that there's a progression, right? So sponges are our most primitive, okay? As we move up, we get more and more complex in how the organism is constructed and built, all the way up to echinoderms. Echinoderms are unique, and the reason why they're usually fall at the top, or they fall at the top of the cladogram for invertebrates, is because they have a similar pattern of development as chordates, as us. Okay, so that's why they're grouped at the top, even though they're sort of lacking that segmentation, and to a degree, they're lacking cephalization. But they have a similar pattern of development as chordates, which is why they're placed at the top. All right, so we're going to be working on this, but before you guys go, I have a little quick exit slip. So you're going to select 2 invertebrate phyla that we discussed today, or that you guys discussed today. Explain which one is primitive and which one is the most complex. I don't care which ones you do. You can choose from the bottom or the top. It doesn't matter. But that's what we're going to be working on. And then just place them on the front table when you are done. There you go. Good luck, good luck.
You have
No.
That movie was really weird.
No, it's not summative. It's formative. Formative.
This is your final.
I just want to see what
This
you
is your final.
guys. I just want to see what you got out of today. Yeah, this is your final exam. One question on a fraction of a I'd like you to do them without notes, so if you put your notes away, that'd be great. It's okay. Spelling is okay. It's sort of up there, so. My marker.
Oh, got you.
Thank you. Working, but having a fabulous day. Thank you. A wonderful week. Snide area.
Oh, stop laughing.
Nice. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Perfect. Wonderful. Thank you. So next week. Sounds good. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Awesome pasta. For their tea.
Vegan burgers.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Brian, you're telling me that you're good. Brian was like, vegan. Oh, like, no.
I feel like those things are
Be careful. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Make sure you get the notes that I outlined in, so just grab that from somebody and I check. Final setting out a note on outline, yeah. Under a folder called final. Toodles. That was fun. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yes.
It was actually like,
Thank
Let me film more often.
Thank you.